Uh, Ever wondered which platform offers the best experience for Civilization 7, PC or console? Uh, what? Let's explore the debate, keeping in mind to hit that like button and subscribe. Um, in the past, PC dominated certain game genres like FPS with mouse and keyboard superiority. Uh, but there are consoles that were enhanced accessibility. Maybe you can do it with consoles. And if you find that longer, you get to highlight Civilization 6 successful console debut uh, proved that strategy games can thrive on both platforms. Critics' scores were nearly identical, leaving players unsure which to choose. Civ 7 on Xbox and PlayStation mirrors the PC version with a controller-friendly UI. Performance is comparable, but PC supports mods, a deal breaker for some gamers. Nintendo Switch users face restrictions limited to small map sizes in multiplayer. Be aware of this before purchasing CIV7 on this platform. Customize your Civ 7 experience on PC or enjoy it on PS5 or Xbox Series without mods. Cross progression via your 2K account lets you switch platforms later. Remember, if you're not into mods, consoles offer a great Civ 7 experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you found this helpful, and unless you were looking for cryptocurrency advice, whoops.